What's up, everyone? This is Justin with Forex Indicator Reviews. Got us a new indicator to take a look at today, and let's go ahead and move forward and take a look at it. Here's the quick disclaimer about the risk of trading, and let's go ahead and move forward. Alright, so as you can tell, the MACD is going to be our base indicator to measure the performance of the new indicator that we're testing. We're still using the ATR as our stop loss and take profit. Again, stop loss is a time and a half, or 1.5 the ATR. Take profit is just a regular 1 times the ATR. So it shows 84 right here. So we would have, stop loss would be about 120-ish, somewhere around there, and the take profit would be 84. Again, we'll take half off and let the rest run using a trail stop of some sort. Alright, so the indicator we're testing today is called the DSS of momentum. If you like this indicator, at the end of the video, I will leave a link so you can download it and start testing it or using it yourself. And let's go ahead and move forward with the information above price. As you can see, or above the candles here, is going to be the trades for the MACD. Below is going to be the trades for the DSS momentum. So you can see the first trade for the MACD was a win. So was the first trade for the DSS momentum. The second trade for the DS momentum was a win as well, but the second one for the MACD was a loss. 3 and 4 for the DS momentum was a loss. And number 3 for the MACD was a loss as well. As you can see, number 5 was a loss, and then that was due to the indicator asking you to switch. So it got you back into number 6 for the DS momentum, which took a win, which then again it told you to flip. So on the MACD, you took a 4, which was a loss, and then 5 was a loss as well. And then as you can see, the 7th trade for the DS momentum was a win, and then the 6th trade for the MACD was a win. And then after you closed out on the DS momentum, it turned around and told you to buy right here, which ended up taking a loss. It does state when you do read that if it comes into a trend, it could kick you out, and that's again what I was talking about. I don't like the 0-100 overbought, oversold, because it creates divergence. It was still in a trend right there. You could have took all that at least, or maybe you weren't in a trade for that, but instead it turned around and said nope, it couldn't go any further, so it put you in another trade. So that's one thing I don't like about these overbought, oversold indicators. But anyways, let's move forward. So next set of trades, number 9 for the DS momentum was a loss. Number 7 for the MACD was a loss. Number 10 for the DS momentum was a loss. And then as you can see here, number 8 for the MACD was a loss as well. Number 11 for the DS momentum was a win. It got really close to stopping out up here by like maybe 2-3 pips. But in that case, it was big enough with the Euro to the US spreads that it wouldn't kick out. Here, number 9 for the MACD was a win as well. And then after you won with the DS momentum, it told you to switch, and it got that good trade right there as well for a win. Number 10 for the MACD was a loss, and then number 11 for the MACD was a win. You can see here, number 13 for the DS momentum was a loss, number 14 was a loss, and number 15 pretty much kind of broke even. Number 12 for the MACD was a loss. Number 13 for the MACD was a win. During this time, 16 and 17 for the DS, you were just losing. Alright, so a lot of trading so far with the DS momentum. Alright, so and then it asked you to get in number 18 for the DS momentum, which was a loss. And then you're in number 14 for the MACD, which was a loss. So and I've taken loss left and right. And number 19 for the DS momentum, was a loss. Alright, so one thing I can automatically point out is this thing is trading a lot. So let's go back to the performance of the MACD. Again, we keep it on the default settings. I like to somewhat start with that because, you know, the maker of the indicator obviously or hopefully back tested enough to realize that these were the best settings of some point. Again, 5 wins, 9 losses, 14.35. So we went over that on the last one. So on the DS average of momentum settings, I pretty much kept it at, and I'll pull those settings up so you can take a look at them. So I kept them at the stochastic length at 32, smooth MA 9, smooth MA method at 1, signal MA at 5, signal MA method at 1, and then MOM period, I'm guessing that's momentum period, 14, and then change on direction change. I left that to true because that is their default settings. The performance, 7 wins, 12 losses, 19 total trades at a 37% win ratio. Okay, so it did better, but personally, to tell you the truth, I don't think it got enough pips. Again, but I will tell you one thing: the more you have of these parameters that you can change, probability of improving this win rate is a whole lot better. So I'm definitely gonna probably make another video about this, maybe in the future. But I will put this in my bucket to retest again, and if it does any better with some changes, I will be making a video on that. Alright, so there you go everybody. We've got us a new indicator. The reason why I like this one a little bit better than the MACD is because you can modify it more. Alright, so everybody, don't forget, subscribe, like, hit the alert bell, and if you want me to test any indicators or robots or expert advisors, whatever you want to call them, and they cost money, just go ahead and send them to me, purchase yourself, or send me the money and I'll purchase it for you, and I will make sure I get that indicator to you review within a week and what I would recommend on it. Alright y'all, take it easy.